Hi, my name is Bill Daniell, President of Catlin Corporation. I started the company in 1986 in Pickering, which is part of Durham region, and then I came to Bowmanville shortly thereafter. In 1987, we acquired our first piece of land in Bowmanville, and since then, we have built over 6,000 homes. We've built at least 12 master planned communities in Southern Ontario, ranging from Kingston to Midland to Richmond Hill, and throughout Durham region, including Pickering, Brock, Whitby, and of course Bowmanville. I am very proud to be developing in Bowmanville. We have developed two master plan waterfront communities in Clarington, Port of Newcastle and Bowmanville's waterfront. It's got something for everybody: walking trails, boating, recreational activities, and the downtown of Bowmanville is amazing with the old shops. We also have a hospital, golf courses, skiing within the nearby area, new modern schools, and of course the shopping. We've got the big box retails, and in fact we developed a fair bit of Bowmanville's commercial sector as well over the years. So I'm excited to be here, and this is thrilling to see this site happen by the GO Station. And we're very instrumental in bringing GO Station to Clarington. This land that we're actually developing, we actually bought in 1987, so we are very excited. This is the first condominium building of this nature adjacent to the GO Station, and many more to come. So you're getting in at the ground stage, and we're so excited about it.